Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to collect Spirits Bunny Pom Pom in Heartopia Easter event. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to explain to you what the Spirits Bunny Pom Pom is. Basically, the Spirit Bunny Pom Pom is limited event currency that you can use to exchange for exclusive Easter rewards like furniture, cosmetic, and recipes. I'm going to show you where you can use the Spirits Bunny Pom Pom. Okay, you can go to this exchange store. Then you can use your Spirits Bunny Pom Pom to buy item from this store. And if you want to collect the Spirits Bunny Pom Pom, the easiest way is by completing daily resident request. You can monitor the request right here, and it will help you to collect the Spirits Bunny Pom Pom. 10 Spirits Bunny Pom Pom for each quest. For the second method, you can do some activities and you can do fishing, gardening, cooking, catching insects, or bird watching. For the gardening, I'm going to try to harvest my crops, and let's see how many pom-poms we will get. Okay, I'm just going to harvest this pineapples. Oh, I haven't got the Spirits Bunny Pom Pom. Okay, I just got the Spirits Bunny Pom Pom. Yeah, just do the activities in Heartopia, and it will help you collecting the Spirits Bunny Pom Pom. Okay guys, and that's how we can earn the Spirits Bunny Pom Pom in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!